Welcome back to our channel. Today we are highlighting the beautiful peacock design, crafted with colorful threads using a simple needle. Watch closely as each colorful strand of thread flows gracefully. Stay till the end to witness this masterpiece transform into a stunning blouse design, perfect for any occasion. Thank you for watching this beautiful journey of thread and needle come alive. If you enjoyed this design, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Maggam work inspirations. Tell us in the comments, would you love to try this peacock design for your next blouse? See you in the next video.